Hi, hello everyone. Namaste and welcome back to SJ CTET classes. So today in this video, we are going to see different levels of questions based on the topics squares and square roots and cubes and cube roots. Okay. So these are the previous year questions asked in CTET examination. Okay. So please watch the video from the beginning to the end. I tried to cover maximum questions in this session. Okay. So it will be definitely helpful for you. If you are seeing my channel for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe. Okay. So let's start. So first question is the value of square root of 2 plus root 3 plus square root of 2 minus root 3 is. So here it is two numbers which are under radical sign, right? So how will we solve it? First of all, we have to represent this as number x. So x is equal to square root of 2 plus root 3 plus square root of 2 minus root 3. Okay, so now I'm going to square it. X square is equal to, that is square root of 2 plus root 3 plus square root of 2 minus root 3. So I'm going to take the square of it. Okay, so now it becomes x square. So now this is of the right hand side is of the form a plus b the whole square, right? So what is a plus b the whole square, everyone? A square plus 2ab plus b square. It's the identity that you are already aware of. Okay, so I'm going to apply this accordingly. Here you can see in the place of a square root of 2 plus root 3 and in the place of b square root of 2 minus root 3. Okay, so when we expand, we'll be getting a square, that is square root of 2 plus root 3 the whole square plus 2ab, that is 2 into square root of 2 plus root 3 multiplied by square root of 2 minus root 3, then plus b square, that is square root of 2 minus root 3 the whole square. So what do you get? So when we square a root, that is a number under the radical sign, when we square it, the radical sign eliminates. So here it becomes 2 plus root 3 plus 2 into, here you can see this is of the form 2 into 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. So it is of the form a plus b into a minus b, right? So what is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. So you can understand that it is 2 square minus root 3 square under root 2 square minus root 3 square plus square root of 2 minus root 3 the whole square is the radical eliminates. So it will get you 2 minus root 3. So which implies 2 plus root 3 plus 2 into square root of 2 square is 4. 4 minus root 3 square is 3 plus 2 minus root 3. So what do you get here? Which will implies 2 plus root 3 plus 2 into square root of 4 minus 3, that is square root of 1, that is 1 plus 2 minus root 3. So which implies 2 plus root 3 plus 2 plus 2 minus root 3. Here you can see the plus root 3 and minus root 3 get cancelled. So the remaining is 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6. So the answer is option 1. Okay, everyone. So moving to the next question. The smallest number by which 68,600 must be multiplied to get a perfect cube. So it is a checking of perfect cube here using prime factorization method. So let us prime factorize this number 68600. So the smallest prime number which I can divide with this number is 2. So when I divide 6 by 2, that is 34300. Then again divided by this 343 is a multiple of 7. So when I divide it by 7, I'll be getting 40. 4, 8, 4, 7, 28. So the remaining 63, that is 49, I'll be getting 4900. Again by 7, 7, 7, 49. 700 will be getting. Again by 2, again write 3, 2, 6, 10. 5, 2, 10. Then 0, 3, 50 will be getting. Again by 7, 5, 7, 35. Then 0, 50 we got. Again by 5 division. That is, we'll be getting 10. Again by 5, we'll be getting 2. So here, how many 2's are coming? 1, 2, 3. So even this number has to be a perfect cube. The prime numbers to be come in 3 times multiplied together, right? So here, let us write 686 0, 0 is equal to 2 multiplied 3 times we got here. Then you can see 7 also we got 3 times here. So we can write it as 7 multiplied 3 times. But you can see here 5 only multiplied 2 times, right? But if we need it as a perfect cube, what do we need it? One more 5 to be multiplied with this group. Then only we can have a group of prime numbers in a group of 3. So here the number which we have to multiply to get a perfect group is number 5, option 4. Next question. 4 minus 2 minus 9 the whole power 0 plus 3 square divided by 1 plus 3. So here you have to remember the BODMAS rule. Bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Vinculum is there, then we can be BODMAS also we can call it. So here first bracket should be simplified. So 4 minus 2 minus 9 is minus 7. Minus 7 to the power 0 plus 3 square divided by 1 plus 3. Then 4 minus any number to the power 0 will give you 1 as the answer. So 4 minus 1 plus then order the indices we have to solve. So 3 square is 9. 9 divided by 1 plus 3. Now the division should be given the preference. 4 minus 1 plus 9 divided by 1 is 9 itself plus 3. So we'll be getting 4 minus 1. That is 3, 3 plus 9 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. So the answer is option 1, 15. Okay. Next question. What is the value of A such that cube root of 500 into cube root of minus 3456 is equal to 4 into A? So here actually we have to utilize the property that is cube root of A multiplied by cube root of B will give you cube root of A multiplied by B. Okay, so here we are going to combine the left hand side part, that is cube root of 500 multiplied by cube root of minus 3456. See, when we multiply there, we'll be getting cube root of minus cube root of 17280, and we have 2 more zeros in the question. So we'll be getting 17,28,000. Okay, and then this is the simplified form of the LHS. So now we can replace that. So minus cube root of 1728000 is equal to 40 into A. Okay. So from this, I'm going to separate this 40 and this will come to the denominator part here. So everyone, can I write 40 as cube root of 40 cube? See, if I write cube root of 40 cube, what is the answer comes? 40 to the power 3 by 3, right? Cube root means 1 by 3. The whole cube means 3. So 3 by 3 will come. So 40 to the power 1. So that is 40 itself. So I'm replacing this 40 as, in the next step, minus 3. That is cube root of 1728000 divided by cube root of 40 cube. That will be equal to A. So what I will be getting? So again here we have to apply a property that we have learned, that is cube root of A divided by cube root of B, where B not equal to 0, then it is cube root under A by B. So here we can understand this can be rewritten as minus of cube root of 1728 and 3 zeros divided by 40 cube is what everyone? 40 cube is 64,000, right? We'll be getting this, which will be equal to A. Then when you divide 1728 by 64, you will be getting 27. Okay, so we can replace it as negative of cube root of 27. This zeros will be getting cancelled simultaneously. So cube root of 27, that is, we know that is 3. So minus is there, so the answer is minus 3. So option 1 is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Square root of 1058 into square root of 648 divided by x is equal to 80. So we have to find out the value of x here. Okay. So here also we can separately find out. Here we don't need to club it. Here we will change 80. So in order to make the question simpler. So let us see how. First of all, we'll write the LHS, that is square root of 1058 into square root of 648 divided by x is equal to 18. Say everyone, we know that the 18 can be written as square root of 324, right? Yes, so square root of 324 is 80. So now I'm going to interchange this x and 18, and I'm going to replace 18 as square root of 324. Okay, so here we'll get square root of 1058 into square root of 648 divided by square root of 324 will give you the value of x. And here you can understand this 324, when you multiply by 2, you are getting 648, right? So this square root one time this, and this is square root under 2 times, right? So we'll be getting the remaining as square root of 1058 multiplied by square root of 2. So square root under 1058 into 2. So 8 2s are 16, carry over 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. 1 here, 1 2s are 2. That is, we'll be getting square root under 2116. So what is the square root of 2116? Everyone, we know the estimation method, 2116. You can pair it, and you can see the unit digit, it is 6. So if a square number is ending in 6, what is the square root ending in? Square root ending in either 4 or 6, right? And here 21 is the next pair, and 21 would be the nearest perfect square number which is coming nearer to this 21. 21 is, we know that 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. So it will be 4. Actually, either 44 or 46 will be our answer. In the option 46 is only there, so we choose 46 as the answer. Or you can check it using digital root method, which I mentioned in the video of squares and square roots. Okay, so moving to the next question. 0.001 plus 1.01 plus 1.001 minus 1.03 into 0.1 plus 1.11 divided by 0.1 plus x is equal to 1.4 into 1 by 10 the whole power minus 1. So then we have to find out the value of x. So it is just the basic understanding of the decimals required here. Okay, so let us solve it. First, we have BODMAS rule, so we have to apply here. So first it is written 0.001 plus 1.01 plus 1.001 minus 1.03 into 0.1 within inside the bracket plus inside the bracket again 1.11 by 0.1 plus x, which will give you the value 1.4 multiplied by 1 by 10 the whole power minus 1. See everyone, 1 by 10 the whole power minus 1 is what's a negative exponent. How that will be changing into a positive exponent? Can take the reciprocal. So automatically the power will become opposite in sign. That is 1 by 10 the whole power minus 1 is 10 to the power 1. So that is 10 itself. Now, so we will solve it. Left hand side will become the bracket when you solve 1.03 into 0.1. 103 into 1 is 103. Here, when you multiply the decimals, we have to add the decimal point to get the decimals in the answer. So here 2 decimal places, 1 decimal place in here. So total 3 decimal places. So answer will become 3 decimal places, 1, 2, 3, and we go 0.103 as the answer here. So we can replace it here 0.001 plus 1.01 plus 1.001 minus 0.103 plus, and here when you divide, we know that 1.11 divided by 0.1, 111 divided by 1 is 111 itself, 111 itself, right? Here also answer consisting of how many decimals? If it is division process, the number of decimals in the numerator minus the number of decimal places in the denominator. Here we'll be getting 2 minus 1, that is 1 decimal place in the answer. We'll be getting 11.1. Okay, so here you can write it instead 11.1 plus x. Okay, so left hand side that we can have here Okay, so now we'll solve it. 0.001, 1.01, 1.001, 11.1. These are the positive decimals, so we can add it here. We'll be getting, here it is 2, 1, 1.31. So we'll be getting 13.112 here, and minus we have 0.103. So when you subtract, you will be getting 9, and here 0, and here also 0, 3, 1. So we'll be getting 13.009. Okay, so we can replace like 13.009 for the left hand side, plus x will give you 1.4 into 10. 1.4 into 10 is what, everyone? One decimal can be compensated for 1 0, so we'll be getting 14 as the answer, right? So here 13.009 plus x will give you 14. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 14 minus 13.009. So let us subtract and find out the answer. 14 with 3 decimal places. 14.000 minus 13.009. So when you subtract, you'll be getting 10 minus 9, 1. Here 9, 9, here 0, and here 0. Be getting 0.991 as the answer. That is option 4. I hope it is clear. Please clearly do that. It will be easy for you. Next question. 2 to the power a the whole power bc by 5 to the power b the whole power ac, where a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 0. So how that we'll be able to see the answer for this question? Let's see. So let us see the answer for this question. 2 to the power a the whole power bc. We know that the law of indices, a to the power n the whole power n will be giving you a to the power m into n. We multiply by n, right? So the same way here also we'll be able to see that 5 to the power b the whole power ac here. So we can rewrite it as 2 to the power a into bc, that is abc will come in the denominator 2 to the power b into ac, that is bac, or you can write it as abc, 5 to the power. So here you can write it as, here we have another law of identity that we have, law of indices, that is a to the power m by b to the power n is equal to a by b the whole power n. So here also you can see the numerator to the same power, denominator to the same power. And so you can club the numerator and denominator with the same power, that is 2 by 5 the whole power abc. So you'll be getting here a is value, b is value, c is value is given. So a is 2, b is 3, and c is 0. So you can apply accordingly. So 2 upon 5 the whole power 2 into 3 into 0. So any number multiplied by 0 is 0 only. So 2 upon 5 the whole power 0 will come. So it is 1. So any number to the power 0 according to the law of exponents, that is 1. So we'll be getting the answer option 3. Next question. The value of cube root of minus 2300 into cube root of 5290 is. Okay. So here also in this case we can club and find out, or if there is any easy way to find out is there, so we will do that as well. So let us see how to do. And before that, I have already informed you that you have to at least by heart the cube roots or cubes up to 10. So here, if you have by hearted that, you could understand that 529 is the square of 23. That is 23 into 23. And I have already informed you that up to 30, you should by heart these squares as well. So through that, you will be able to understand 529 is equal to 23 square. Okay. So here I'm going to replace that. So when we club it, cube root of minus 2300 multiplied by 5290, because we know that cube root of a into cube root of b is equal to cube root of a into b. Okay. So here you'll be able to see that the cube root of 123 is already there, and this number consisting of 2 23s, right? 23 into 23. So you can replace it as minus of 23 Here you can replace it at 23 into 100, then into 23 into 23 into 10. So I can rewrite like this. So easily you will be able to understand. Minus I'm taking outside. So cube root of 23 3 times 23 into 23 into 23. 23's together it has to be multiplied. Then here 100 into 10. 100 into 10 is 1000. So 1000 we can write it as 10 into 10 into 10. Right? So I'll be getting minus of cube root of 23 into 23 into 23. That is 23, a group of 3 23's together. Then 10 into 10 into 10. So while we take the cube root of this, we'll be taking one number from one group. So it is minus of 23 into 10. So we'll be getting the answer as minus 230. So this is the answer, option 3. So let us see how to do this question. The least number which must be added to 8,93,304 to obtain a perfect square. Okay. So this type of questions, what number should be added or what number should be subtracted? So in these cases, we have to utilize long division method. Okay. So let us first try long division method with this number and let us see whether it is a perfect square or not. Okay. So the number accordingly, it has to be paired. First of all, two numbers together from the right towards the left. Then what you have to do is you have to do the long division process. So which is the perfect square nearer to 89? That is 81. That is 9 9s are 81. So 9 9s are 81 here. Then we will subtract. We will be getting 8. Then next 33 will come here. Then 9 plus 9, 18. You have to add the quotient and the divisor. So which number to be multiplied with 18 to get a number which is nearer to this 83? 18 into 4, let us see. 72 will be getting 18 into 5. It will be 8 5s are 40. 1 5s are 5 plus 1 9. So anyway, this 900 is not there. So we could understand 4 is the number which has to be written on the right side of 80. So let us see 184 into 4. The value will be getting 4 4s are 16. Carry over 8 4s are 32 plus 1 33. 3 carry over 1 4s are 4 plus 3 7. So we'll be getting here 4 184 736. So we'll be subtracting, we'll be getting 13 minus 6 7. Here it is 9. Then the next two digits together, that is 0 4. Okay. So in this step, it is very crucial here. So normally, if it is a perfect square, we'll be getting the next digit. By that, it will be the remainders become 0. But in the question itself, it is not a perfect square. It is clearly given what number to be added. So for that, we have to get a number which is just greater than this given number. Okay, not less than this number. That kind of question means you can take the value which is just less than this divisor when the question is what number must be subtracted. But here the question is what number must be added. So what you have to do is you have to just get a number which is just greater than this 9,704. So let us continue the procedure. 184 plus 4 is 188. Which number to be written to the right end of 188? We have to check. So 188. Let us check for 5. When you multiply by 5, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry over, 8 5s are 40 plus 2 42, 4 carry over again, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 44, 4 carry over, 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 2 9. So 9,425 comes. So next digit, we need a number which is just greater than this. Okay, so we are going to add 6 to the right end. So 1,886 into 6, 6 6 are 36, 3 carry over, 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 3. 5 carry over, 8 6 are 3, 5, 1 6 are 6, 6 plus 5, 11. So we'll be getting 11316 as the number which is just greater to this number that we got by writing 6 at the right end of 188. So 6 times 1,886 will give you 11,360. So we'll subtract manually 11316 minus 9704. 6 minus 4 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. 13 minus 7 is 6. Here it is 0. So 10 minus 9 is 1. So we'll be getting the answer negative 1612 here. So everyone, this negative 1612, right? So this 1612 is the number which has to be added along with this given number to make it as a perfect square. Okay, so the option is option 3. Next question, the value of cube root of 500 into cube root of 60. So here we can club this. So cube root of a into cube root of b, we know that it is cube root of ab, right? So the same way we can do cube root of 500 into cube root of 16 will give you cube root of 500 into 16. That means cube root of 16 into 5, that is 80. Everybody know that is 8000 will be there. So cube root of 8 into cube root of 1000, right? So we'll be getting this 20 as the answer. So option 2 is the correct answer. This is just an application of the property here. Next, 8,880. So it is actually written in the place value form. So we need to find out what is the place values exactly. That is the meaning of this question. So 8,00880, which can be written as 8 into 10 to the power x plus 8 into 10 to the power y plus 8 into 10 to the power z. So here, what are the values of x, y, and z? So here the first 8 is in the place of lakh. So lakh consisting of how many zeros? 6 zeros in the, 5 zeros is the power. So we'll be getting 8 into 10 to the power 5 plus next place value is in hundreds place. So 8 into 10 to the power 2 plus 8 into 10 to the power 1. So here the powers are 5, 2 and 1, right? So when we add, we'll be getting 5 plus 3, that is 8. So here option 4 is the correct answer. We need the value of x plus y plus z, right? So here x value is 5, lakh place value, and y value is 2, hundreds place value, and z value is 1, that is tens place value. Okay. Next question. The value of 3 to the power 502 minus 3 to the power 500 plus 60 divided by 3 to the power 500 plus 2. So here we have to take the common factor. See, we know that a raised to m into a raised to m can be written as a raised to m plus n, right? This n here. So the same way 3 raised to 502 can be written as 300 raised to 500 into 3 raised to 2. When you add it, 3 to the power 500 plus 2, that is 3 to the power 502. So I'm going to split and write 3 to the power 502 as 3 to the power 500 into 3 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power 500 in the question plus 16 by 3 to the power 500 plus 2. So now I can take the common factor 3 to the power 500 here. So the remaining will be 3 to the power 2 minus 1, right, plus 60 divided by 3 to the power 500 plus 2. Now, which implies 3 to the power 500 into 3 square is 9. 9 minus 1, we know that it is 8, right? 8 plus 16 by 3 to the power 500 plus 2. So here again, here we can have in the first term 8 and 16. So I'm going to take 8 outside. Okay. So let us write 8 into 3 to the power 500 plus 2 by 3 to the power 500 plus 2 in the denominator. So now see, we can cancel the 3 to the power 500 plus 2. So we'll be getting 8 as the correct answer. So option 1 is the correct one. Next question. The square of 9 is divided by the cube root of 125. So this is just basic awareness. Square of 9. What is that square of 9? 9 squared, that is 81. Okay. The square of 9 is divided by the cube root of 125. That means, what is the cube root of 125, everyone? That is 5. So it is 81 by 5. So when you divide it, what is the remainder? It is asking, right? So 1 5s are 5, 4 carry over, that is 41, 8 5s are 40. So 1 is the carryover comes here. So option 1 is the correct answer. Next, the value of square root of 16 under root of 8 under root 4. So here how to find out? It's very easy. So under root we have to solve from the right towards the left. Okay. So we know that what is the square root of 4? What is square root of 4? That is 2. We can replace that. And under root 16, under root what comes again? 16. 8 2 is 16 comes. So we can rewrite as under root 16. What is the square root of 16? It is 4. So again, under root 16 into 4, 64 comes. What is square root of 64? That is 8. So the answer is 8 here. Okay, you have to just start solving from the right towards the left. Okay. Then 1/2 of 1.2 into 10 to the power 30. What is that 1/2 of the 1/2 is just, it's not 1.5. You just don't misinterpret the question. 1/2 is just half. Okay. So here this question, we have to divide this 1.2 into 10 to the power 30 has to be divided by 2. 1.2 when you divided by 2 will be getting 0.6, right? So 0.6 into 10 to the power 30. But in the option we have the standardized 4. So we can compensate this one decimal point with 110. So we can write it as 110 we have to take in order to compensate this 0.6 as 6. So that is 6 into 10 to the power 30. It was there. So 110 we have taken in order to compensate one decimal point. So the remaining power of 10 is 29. So the answer is 6 into 10 to the power 29. Standard form of writing part this question comes. Next question. 3 into 10 to the power 5 plus 4 into 10 to the power 3 plus 7 into 10 to the power 2 plus 5 is equal to. So here just arranging the place value order, the number we will be getting. 10 to the power 5, that is the lag position. Otherwise, we can start writing from the ones place. So here 5 is in ones place. 10 square means 100 position. So the 10's position is nothing here. Then 100 position consisting of the value 7. Then 1000's position. 1000 position consisting of the 4 because the 10 cube associated coefficient is 4. Then 1000, 10,000. 10,000 means 1 with 4 zeros. So 10 to the power 4 is not there. So you can put 0 there. Then 10 to the power 5, that is 3 is the coefficient. So you can write 304705. 304705 is the option 1. Okay. Next question. If a cube is equal to 1 plus 7 and 3 cube is equal to 1 plus 7 plus b and 4 cube is equal to 1 plus 7 plus c. This question has repeatedly asked in 2 years, November and February. November 2012 and February 2014. Okay. So here, first what we have to do is we need to find out the values of a plus b plus c. So we just simply simplify. So a cube value is 1 plus 7. So a cube is 8, right? So what is a? That is cube root of 8. What is cube root of 8? That is 2. Now, so we got the value of a as 2. And what is the value of b? Let us see. 3 cube is equal to 1 plus 7 plus, right? 3 cube is 27. 27 is equal to 1 plus 7, 8 plus b, right? So what is the value of b from this? 27 minus 8 will be getting what? 19. So the value of b is 19 here. And what is the value of c? 4 cube is what? 64. 64 is equal to 1 plus 7. That is 8 plus c. So what is the value of c from this? 64 minus 8. What will be getting? 56 will be getting. So c value is 56. So when we add a plus b plus c, what will be getting? 7, 17, then 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So we'll be getting 77. Option 1 is the correct answer. Okay. Now, which of the numbers minus 20, minus 3 by 4, 1 by 2 and 10 is greater than its square? So let us see the square of each number. Minus 20, what is the square of this number? Minus 20 is square, right? Minus 20 into minus 20, even number of minus are multiplying. So the answer is positive. So 400. Anyway, 400 is greater here. We need to find out, when we find out the squares of a number, which of these numbers is greater than its square. So number should be greater than the square. Here the square is greater. Okay, so this is not our correct option. Then second one, minus 3 by 4. When we take the square of it, we'll be getting minus 3 square by 4 square. Anyway, minus 3 square is a positive number, that is 9 by 16. Anyway, 9 by 16 is greater here. That number is not greater, but the square is greater. So we don't need that answer. So that is not correct. Then next number is 1 by 2, right? Yes, 1 by 2. When we take the square of it, 1 by 2 the whole square. We'll be getting 1 square by 2 square, that is 1 by 4. We know that 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 2. So our option is 1 by 2. So if we need, we can check the next option also. That is 10. Next value also 10. What is 10 square? 10 square is 100, right? So 100 is obviously greater than 10. So our correct answer is 1 by 2. Okay. So that's all regarding today's session. So I hope I have covered maximum questions which are asking the CTET examination of this topic. So please do practice. Okay. All the best. Thank you.